That's crazy weather. Just came out of nowhere. We might actually get a lot of snow if it continues like this. It was like a light, barely anything, maybe a few minutes ago at most, and then this just came out of nowhere.
Well, you can kind of see that building's shadow again now.
Yeah, barely.
For a second there, you couldn't see that Lowe's building over there at all.
No, what is it now? It's not the Lowe's, is it?
It's Hyatt Place.
A Hyatt Place now.
Yeah, now I can even see the tower over there. But for a second there, I couldn't see nothing.
Right.
It's terrible.
Just have a laugh. Oh my God, that's it's almost like hail. It's impaling like hail, but it's not as hard. It's coming down